Hello, hello, super people! Super Martin official here. Another day, another video. Kanina nagluto ako ng sinigang na bangos. Yan. Sinigang na bangos. Ginamitan ng tamarind soup base. At may kamote, daw ng kamote, pechay, at yung isa ay dahon ng labanos. Yan ang ulam namin mamaya. At nag-cut din ako ng squash. Malagkit siya. Nag-boil ako kung malagkit siya o hindi, pero malagkit siya. Wow, malagkit. Save ko yung buto. At ngayon, maglilinis ako ng dahon ng malunggay. Wow! Oh, dahon ng malunggay. Marunggay. Sabi ng Amerikano, marunggay. Dami ang marunggay. Ito ang pinagbuildan ko ng squash. Pwede palang inumin. Parang coffee. Sarap. At mamaya, magluluto kami ng kalabasa na may marunggay. Ito. Dito sa labas, ipakita ko yung pinagkunan ko ng kamote top. Malalaki na ito, yung nasa paso lang to. Kamote top sa paso. Nakasurvive ng winter. Dito naman, ito yung mga kamote top na pinagkukunan namin ng pwede mong i-boil ng steam or ilahok sa sinigang. Ito yung pinagkunan ko ng pechay. Iisa, pero maraming dahon. Pero ang kamote top namin ay healthy. Ayan. Ito, marami na namang tumutubong labanos. Pero ito, yung dahon lang ang pwedeng kainin. Maliliit ang bunga. Yan. Kamote top. Yan. Hanggang dito. Yan. At ito naman yung halaman namin na tawag nila ay 4 o'clock. Bumubuka pagka 4 o'clock, malapit nang mamulaklak. Ibang flowers na naman sa paligid ng bahay. Ito yung mga labanos. Yan, dahil pang tumubo, oh. Ito naman yung tanim kong tanglad, lemongrass. Yun yung mga ampalaya. Sabi ng Ilocano, agkalkalay at dan. Ampalaya. Hopefully maraming bunga ng ampalaya. At ang aking bawang ay dry na. Pwede nang harvestin siguro. Ready to harvest the garlic. I have some more tanglad here. Lemongrass. Magandang panglahok pag magluto ng sinigang, paksiw, adobo, mawawala ang langsa. Balik sa loob ng bahay. Tulog na tulog si Ruby. Nasa sopa. Napagod, naglakad kanina. Yan. Maglilinis ako ng malunggay. Yeah. Malunggay. Fresh na malunggay. Not only in the Philippines. Yeah. See? Yeah. Sinong may gusto? Sorry. Just enough for us. Masarap ilagay sa kalabasa. Yeah, see? Video lang pag may time. Huwag kayong magsawa sa pugi kong mukha. Joke lang. Just joking. But if you think I am, thank you. Oh, lumabas si Mrs. ko sa lungga. Hindi ka na be, oh. Dito ka, para pa-picture ka.
Napanmat na kwa dito yan. It's
Sure.
okay. Pwede pa.
Kaya nga inalis ko na agad.
Pero binayaan mo naman dyan kasi. It's okay. Kainit ko na, kakain tayo.
Okay, yeah. Because we're going to church. Mm.
Ano mo na kakain yan?
Try this one. Try that one.
Ano yan? Kalabasa?
Ito nag-build ang kalabasa niya.
Dami mong...
Sarap, parang tea.
Okay.
Parang coffee. Sarap. Sarap ito.
Ay na ako, just eat. Wala naman or drink or...
Salita ka na.
Mag-aano ng malunggay. Hello? Hello, madlang people or
Super people!
super people, not madlang. Super people. It's already 3 o'clock here in California, in our place, Sacramento.
We just woke up.
We just woke up again.
Life is good. This is the seeds. Yung lalaki ng seeds niya, oh. Tatanim. Kasi malagkit.
And we're trying to do this malunggay from Hawaii before it get useless. Anyway, my husband is so good. He cooked some sinigang
Bangus.
na bangos a while ago, but it's already let's see. Let me go and fix it so we can eat.
Junk.
Another junk mail.
Salita ka.
Oh, there's na sinigang.
Wife is trying to heat up our sinigang
So
so that we can eat
lunch.
lunch.
And it's already 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock lunch and snacks. It's going to be our lunch and snack. Then after that, going back to take a nap.
Before we go
Life
to church.
is good
Well,
because we're going to church tonight.
what a life. Yeah, life is good. That's what it is that we can say. My husband wants to go to the Philippines.
Yeah,
Oh.
we invested a lot of money for not staying in there. Wow.
Saan yan?
In Rosario, Cavite,
Wow.
Sapa. That's right. I want to go to the Philippines, stay there for a little bit longer. We, we invested a lot of money build a house, another rest house, and bought a land, supposedly plant something, but we are here. We are stuck here. We're stuck here with Uncle Sam. But life's still good. Soon, probably we're going back home for vacation. We don't know yet. Okay, super people. Until next video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and God bless.